In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate a GOG key quickly and easily, so you can redeem your game code and get it added straight into your library. If you've just bought a GOG code and you're not sure where to enter it, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it helps to know exactly where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open GOG on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This is important because the game will be added to the library tied to that account. So double-check you're using the one you want. Once you're on the GOG screen, look at the top menu and click on Settings. This opens up the account and launcher options you need for redeeming your code. Next, move your mouse over Add Games and Friends. When you hover over that option, a menu will appear with different choices related to adding content to your account. From that menu, click Redeem GOG Code. This is the exact option you need to activate a key. Now you'll see a box where you can enter your code. Carefully type or paste your GOG key into the field. Make sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters, because even a small typo can stop the code from working. After entering the code, click Continue. GOG will then check the code and process the redemption. If the code is valid, the game will be added to your library automatically. You should now be able to see it in your GOG collection, ready to download and install whenever you want. And that's it. You've successfully activated your GOG key. It only takes a few clicks once you know where the redeem option is. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.